Me need 3 fag, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and for this video I have some more nasty foods from TikTok. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's get to it. So this one right here, I'm gonna call this one mac and cheese sin, because to me this is just disgusting, and I had to mute this for copyright purposes. Now, there were a lot of people in the comments saying this looks really good. And to be completely honest, I don't see it. But in Walmart, they have flaming hot Cheetos and whatnot. So it could be good. And it could look good to y'all. But to me, this is just nasty. Don't invite me nowhere where you make this, because I'm not coming. And if you bring this to anything I invite you to, you ain't invited again. So don't do it. Looks disgusting. No, thank you. This right here, I call the soup from hell, because the whole thing just doesn't make any sense.
Some chocolate soup for dinner tonight?
Chocolate soup for dinner? Of all the things that chocolate goes with, carrots, cabbage, potatoes, chicken is not one of those things. This right here is just a big no-no. No. Disgusting.
Oh my god. Chicken, slightly overcooked, and some chocolate.
So, there are a lot of people that can cook for themselves and they can't cook for other people because they really can't cook. And I think she's one of them, because when you put these things together, that's a big no-no. You do not belong in the kitchen at all. Get out the kitchen. And I hope she's only cooking this for herself and no one else is going to get this poison, because that's disgusting. Alright, so I call this one deep fried stickers. This is another one that I had to mute for copyright purposes. But if you remember a few videos back, I made a toilet edition of these TikTok videos. And there was one lady that made chocolate milk in the toilet bowl, and she made punch in the toilet bowl, and she tried to feed the punch to her guests and tried to tell them, oh, she cleaned the toilet bowl and whatnot, and they were like, no thank you. This is the same lady that's making the deep fried stickers right here. So as you can see, she's on a roll, because she has managed to end up in every video that I've made in this TikTok series. Like, none of this makes sense right here. And I'm pretty sure she didn't wash the bananas if the stickers are still sitting on there. Like, what's the point of doing this when you can't eat the skin? Not that you can. Maybe some people would, but you're not going to eat the skin. So what's the point? Like, this is just a waste of time, and it's disgusting. Look at all the batter falling off. So, does it really make sense? Not to me. You know, I give up on humanity. This is why we end up with COVID, monkeypox. You see monkeypox going around. And then, look at this. You could have just peeled the banana and ate it like a normal person, because now you deep fry it, you put batter on it, you deep fry it just to peel the skin off to eat it. And if you look at the banana, let me back up a little bit. You look at the banana right there, it looks the exact same as if you had just peeled the banana and ate it normally. Like, there was no difference. So what's the point? Like, this one does not make any sense to me. And I could have respected this video. I would have given her props if she had peeled the banana, sliced it, dipped it in the batter, and then deep fried it. Deep fried bananas. Never heard of it before, but it could be a thing. Or she could have been onto something. They have deep fried Oreos, deep fried ice cream, but she chose deep fried nastiness, so it is what it is. So I call this one right here the mooing pie, and you'll see why I call it the mooing pie. But this video is also brought to you by Banana Lady, Miss Deep Fried Stickers.
That should be good. Push that down into the pie crust. Take your Velveeta cheese. A rolling pin works really well.
You know, she didn't even put a little bit of salt on that ground beef just to give it some taste. Because right now, all she has right there is bland nastiness. Not even a little bit of salt for taste.
Wow.
And I sure hope she's just making this for him and her.
Your biscuits and put it on top.
May Lord have mercy
Now
on
we're
them.
just going to.
May the Lord have mercy on them.
Wow. That was great. What?
Listen how dramatic he is. But you know what? I'm not mad at him. He's a ride or die. Every video, he's the one behind the cameras recording and egging on her nastiness. But I ain't mad at him because I assume it's his wife. You know, he got to sleep with her at night. So anything to stay on her good side, I ain't mad at him. Do what you do. Ride or die. More power to you. But good luck to your stomach.
Wow, look at that.
Yep, perfect. Okay, and we got a baking tray right there.
That's dirty.
Perfect.
Holy
I'm
cow.
gonna cut into it. Watch this. Look at all
Like,
Wow.
this doesn't even look good.
ready.
You know, one thing my mom always says, people eat with their eyes. And this right here is not saying, come eat me. It's not saying, come eat me. It's saying, I'm disgusting. Don't eat me.
In there.
Let me see.
Humans.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, hell no!
Yes.
Look at that right there. This is why I call this the mooing pie. Cause to me, this right here is undercooked. And this beef gonna be mooing the whole daggone time. Cause it's not cooked the right way. But more power to them.
That looks so good. It's so good.
No, it's not. It looks disgusting. But that man right there, he said for rich or for poor. Yeah, for rich or for poor, in sickness and in health, for better or for worse. And also for nastiness and not nastiness, because that right there, he chose nastiness. So this one right here, I call the greasy cockroach. As you can see why.
My friend invited me to a family cookout, and this is what I seen after eating my food.
No! God, please, no! No!
First of all, I am breaking up with him on site. Let's just get that out there. I'm going to take a video like she did. I'm posting it on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. And I'm sure there's other places. I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to make a flyer. I'm going to put all this on there and I'm going to paste it all over the neighborhood so everybody knows. Don't go over to this cockroach-infested house. Cockroach-infested house because everybody over there is nasty. Don't go over there. And I'm going to make sure I have a mic because I'm going to cuss the family out. I'm drop the mic and I'm going to walk off and go about my business. That's exactly what I'm going to do because this right here is disgusting. And she saw it after she ate. I would induce vomiting right there. Because you messed around, you ate a cockroach, didn't even know. Cockroach cooing all in your dang stomach. Nah, this ain't it. This ain't it. Yep, I'll be done with this family after that. Yep, and I'll make sure everybody know, like I said, this is just nasty to me. Because how do you end up with so many cockroaches in your house? And then you got people coming over and like nothing clicked in your mind to say, you know what? We got people coming over. Maybe we shouldn't have a frying pan filled with cockroaches sitting on the stove. Or you just thought maybe she gonna come over and oh, it's okay. Me and cockroaches are friends. There's no problem with that. No normal human being is gonna come to your house, see all those cockroaches and think it's cool. Or maybe y'all are just that nasty that you don't care. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. That means these people don't clean at all, because how do you end up with so many cockroaches in your house? Y'all don't clean? Bruh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Alright, so I have a bonus video for you guys, but brace yourselves because this one is disgusting. Alright, so we've come to our final video, and this one right here I call instant nausea because it's that disgusting. So brace yourselves. I didn't even want to look at it. Just the sound alone is disgusting. Like, why did you have to slurp it like that? Why did you even have to eat it like that? That is so disgusting to me. Like, I don't think I've ever seen anything on the internet this disgusting. Why? I've seen it multiple times and it makes my stomach turn every time.
That's the nastiest shit I've ever seen.
Oh my God, disgusting. Anyway, don't eat turtles. Hope y'all like the video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and until next time, peace out.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a brother.